IKEA opened its store in Bangalore last June, about a year back. Strategically located at Naksandra, that is, on the outskirts of Bengaluru. This video is to provide my views on how IKEA understands customers. You can reach to IKEA store from anywhere in Bengaluru within an hour using the nice road tollway. My home was located at the other end of the city, so had to travel the full stretch of nice road. Also, if customers want to reach there using the metro, they can walk from Naksandra metro in a few minutes. The entrance itself is so mind-blowing, thought I am entering an airport. Though they provide a map while entering the store. IKEA stores have a one-way layout that forces customers to see the entire store. This is called the Gruen effect. There are some shortcuts, but they are not easy to find. This layout is designed to increase impulse buying. If you are pre-planned to buy a few products, you have to walk a long way to get to the product you wanted, and then back to the ground level to check out. I later learned that this is intentional. IKEA stores are designed to make customers walk through the entire store, so they are more likely to see and buy things they didn't plan on buying. Navigating through the well-organized store is a breeze, thanks to the helpful staff and clear signage. Now, looking at the attention to detail. Every section inside is designed in a unique way, with the pieces of furniture in each room complementing each other in texture and material, so the entire section gives you a feeling as if a master craftsman has planned and fitted the parts like a pretty jigsaw puzzle. I loved the detailing of each product in each section. Every model bedroom or kitchen had all the accessories or utensils affixed with glue so no one can disturb the alignment or take it for billing. All the products had prices, dimensions, the material it is made with, etc. Each section has a few courteous staff to help you. If you are looking to buy a modular kitchen, furniture, or accessory, they will help you order them and guide you on how to pick them up from their warehouse just before billing. There were many different styles of bedrooms, dining rooms, drawing rooms, modular kitchens and bathrooms, and more. IKEA has planning tools will help you give shape to your ideas to conceptualize your dream kitchen, office furniture, wardrobe or storage systems, where you can play with colors, styles, sizes, and configurations to create that perfect design on their website. I enjoyed walking through each room, marveling at the various layouts and the furniture in them. At first glance, it might seem like IKEA's food has no impact on its furniture sales. The food also feeds into the Gruen effect, a psychological phenomenon that describes how people are more likely to spend money when they are in a positive mood. Eating and smelling food releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure. This can create a state of happiness that makes people more likely to spend money. The billing was done after getting the food we like from the counter or takeaway, but that is good idea and billing was quick.
Let us look at the quality.
The quality is excellent. IKEA products are made with high-quality materials, and they are well made. I have been using IKEA products for about a year that I bought online earlier, and they have held up very well. The vast selection of stylish furniture and home decor items caters to every taste and budget. The prices are very reasonable. IKEA products are priced very competitively. You can get high-quality furniture and home goods at IKEA without biting your wallet. The selection is vast. IKEA has a wide selection of products to choose from. You can find everything you need to furnish your home at IKEA, from furniture to kitchenware to home decor. The delivery is convenient. IKEA offers delivery service in the city you buy. You can order your products online or in store, and they will be delivered to your home. This is very helpful if you are using public transport to reach there. IKEA offers a generous returns policy. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can return it for a full refund. While I leaving for billing, You can pick up the big stuff such as furniture, sofa, etc. from their warehouse just before billing. The billing was super quick too and accept all cards and UPI. Also, IKEA provides flexible payment options like EMI. If you find a big queue at the billing counter, you can use the kiosk, self-billing, where you scan QR on your cart items and pay the amount at the dedicated counter. Wow! I felt awful to spend the whole day there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video or post if you liked it.